Welcome to the Octet channel, where we talk about the latest advancements in technology. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that's revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals develop and deploy artificial intelligence. It's called democratizing AI with low-code and no-code platforms.
Over the past few years, AI has become an essential tool for businesses across various industries. However, developing AI solutions requires a specific set of skills that not everyone possesses. That's where low-code and no-code platforms come in. With these tools, non-technical users can now develop and deploy AI models without extensive coding knowledge. These platforms provide pre-built modules, templates, and other tools that enable users to create machine learning models, natural language processing applications, computer vision systems, and other AI-based solutions using a drag-and-drop interface. In simple terms, democratizing AI means making AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. This can have a transformative impact on businesses, industries, and society as a whole. It means that businesses of all sizes can leverage AI to streamline their processes, enhance their products and services, and make better decisions without hiring expensive technical teams. One of the biggest benefits of low-code and no-code AI platforms is the speed and agility in the development process. With traditional AI development, it can take weeks or even months to develop and deploy a model. With low-code and no-code platforms, businesses can create and deploy models within hours or days, which means faster time to market and improved customer satisfaction. In conclusion, democratizing AI with low-code and no-code platforms is changing the game for businesses and individuals. It's transforming the way we develop and deploy AI solutions, making it more accessible, faster, and affordable for everyone.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. See you in the next video.